Hello everyone. So now we will see that how we need to create a record. Okay. So in our last videos we have discussed about object, that what is an object. So that is clear. A table we are calling in database. Same we are calling here as an object in Salesforce. A column in table we are calling here as a field. And when you are going to put the value in a row, so we are going to call that as a record in Salesforce here. Okay, so how we are going to create a record, that we will see in this video. So I need to create a property record. So I will go into that object and then we have new button there. Okay, let me show you. So click there and here you have new button. So click on this new button here, and whatever field you have created, you will get all those fields. Okay, let me refresh. Click on new button, and whatever field you have created, you will get all those fields on this page layout. So right now I have just created property name and price. So I will go to provide a property name like 14 F tower F34. Okay. And then price I can provide here 75 lakh. Okay, so you can put the value for all fields and then you need to click on save button. Okay, when you will click on save button, it will create a new record for you. And if you will go to click on save and new, will create a record for you, and again you will go and you will create a new record. Okay, so if you need to create more record, then you can click on save and new here. So let me go and click on save. So like this, we have created a new record in property object, and let's go and click on property, and here you will go to click on view all. So here you will get list of all record related to this property object. Okay, so that is clear. If you need to create a record, then you need to go to click on new button and then fill the information and click on save button with all minimum required field values, and you can create a new record. Okay, so these are records in Salesforce. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos, and comment to me if you need to see any video related to any topic. Thank you, guys.